Okay, so it started to rain. Bro, I am getting soaked right now. Why? It's getting harder and harder.
That's what she said. Michael.
I have not uploaded on YouTube in about 2 months. I think like a month and a half, maybe 2. I'm the king of consistency, as you can see. I mean, if you think about it, I'm consistently uploading once a month in a way, you know, so it's still being consistent. So first things first, I got a dog, obviously, as you guys just saw. His name is Arnold. Yes, like the bodybuilder. I started my cut. I talked about that on TikTok and Instagram. I already told you guys that I finished high school, but I officially got my diploma, so I'm actually done with high school. I graduated a year early as a junior. Okay, so as you guys know, I also hit 275 on bench. That has been a goal of mine for the longest time ever, bro. Since like mid 2021, like maybe even early 2021. So yeah, bro, we hit that bench PR. I'm starting my cut. I got a new dog. I'm done with high school. A lot of things are going on. I just went to Walmart. I bought some healthy snacks for my cut. You got these Taki like meat sticks. And another thing I got, bro, I need to put y'all onto these. Bro, just look at it. I'm not going to read it out loud because I don't know what they're called. But I showed you guys the chocolate ones. Bro, you moved my tripod a little bit. I showed you guys the chocolate ones on my Instagram story like a long time ago, like probably like 2 or 3 months ago. Quest, they hated on this one, bro. This one. So another thing I got is this Diet Mountain Dew. And obviously, I got some toys for Arnold. You can hear it right now. Bro, this dude has made my room a mess. Okay, so the vacuum cleaner I was just using has some issues. It's like broken. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart again, but I'm gonna go after the gym, and I will take you guys with me this time. Well, I took you guys with me the first time. I'm taking you guys with me again. For now, I'm about to just take a nap, so I'll see you when I wake up in like an hour.
1 hour later.
So I just woke up. I am not gonna lie, guys. I just binged on the 2 snacks that I bought, and I also ate a bunch of Cheez-Its. By the way, this happens to me all the time. This is like the normal part of dieting for me. I'll mess up my diet about 1 to 2 times a week. It happens. So yeah, I'm just being transparent, bro. I am not perfect whenever it comes to dieting. I do struggle. It's very difficult. I love candy, bro. I've talked about this in the past. I love candy. I love junk food. I love it all so much. But I also want to get shredded. I'm going to continue to diet and continue to struggle. Bro, that caca I just took was terrible because of the food I binged on. Not only did I mess up my diet, but I messed up my caca experience. So this is the plan. I'm about to warm up with squats. I'm not going to do any working sets of squats, but I want to warm up for my leg day with squat. I'm also only training quads because my hamstrings are acting up and I don't feel like training glutes or calves. That's, no thank you. So just quads for today. Okay, so we are at Walmart for the second time today because the vacuum cleaner broke. But first, I gotta go pee so bad. It is an emergency.
Look at him. Oh my god, look at him.
Make it fall.
What the hell's wrong with him?
Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use to clean up his mess. Oh my god, bro, you licked the camera. There we go.